Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In today's video, we are going to talk about Twilio and some alternatives of Twilio. And in this video, I will only talk about options that are easy to use and easy to set up. So even if you are not a tech expert, you can still understand and maybe use them. But before we start, check the description below. I put the links of the official websites of the tools. Also, you will find some updated information if anything changes later. So I will write it there, just check that out. Now, what is Twilio basically? Twilio is a platform for sending SMS, making calls, and using messaging API. Many businesses uses it to send alerts, reminders, and verification codes. But sometimes people want something different, maybe a little cheaper, maybe simpler, or maybe with more feature with ready to go. So that's why we will look at some alternatives. So let's start with the first alternative, that is Plivo. Plivo is a similar website or similar tool to Twilio. It also lets you send SMS and make calls using API, but some people say it has better pricing in large volume. And nowadays, Plivo also makes its dashboard more easier to understand. So you can set up a new number and send a message faster without coding and anything too much. Another good option is Vonage. Vonage is a well-known name for call, messaging, SMS or this kind of services. In nowadays, Vonage add more low-code tools so you can build simple communication feature without deep programming skill. It's great for small teams who want to set up something quickly. Another one is Telnix. Telnix is good option because it's very reliable and offers global coverage. In this time, Telnix also added better call quality controls and a nice API playground where you can test things before you go live. It is a good choice if you care about stability and international reach. So yeah, these are some good alternatives to Twilio, Plivo, Vonage and Telnix. All of them let you send message, making calls and connect with customers. The choice depends on your budget and your location and how much technical setup you can handle or you want. So if you are new, then you can try multiple one, then you will select which one is working better for you. But if you need big volume and low cost, then you can try Plivo, and if you want stability and global service, then you can use Telnix. This is a good option. But if you want a trusted name with good support, then Vonage is a nice option. So this was the video for today. I hope now you understand some alternatives of Twilio. So if you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.